Right, today we are looking at Pythagorean Triads, which is a bit of a challenge section as part of Pythagoras, all right? So when we talk about triads, we mean something with three things in it. So I'm now looking at three numbers that could make up a type of right angle triangle. So you can make triangles with lots of different side lengths, but what we want to do is check that these three side lengths can make a right angle triangle. Remembering that if it's a right angle triangle, it will always work, with Pythagoras' theorem, all right? So what we do is we look at these three and we pretend that they're side lengths, all right? So what we have to do first of all is find our biggest side lengths, and that is always going to be the hypotenuse. Now, if you remember, the hypotenuse is C. So they're usually in order, they're usually in numerical order. So if we have a look at this one is going to be our C. And remember, it doesn't matter which one A and B is. So we can just say this one is A, B, and C. Now that we can give our letters A, B, and C values or numbers, 3, 4, and 5, we can put them into our formula. So if it is a right angle and if it is a Pythagorean triad, it will work with this. And we're going to use this equal sign as kind of a balancing weight. So A is 3 squared plus 4 squared should equal 5 squared. 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, and we know that 9 plus 16 is 25. Now if we go down this side, 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 is the same number as 25. So what that means is these three can make a right angle triangle, and the sides would be 3, 4, and 5. That's totally fine. Let's check another set, all right? Here's our largest one. It's going to be C. We've got A and B. Now let's use our formula to check. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We're going to substitute our numbers in. We're going to do all of the left side first and then all of the right side. So A is 9, B is 10. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. So 81 plus 100 is 181. Nice and easy so far. Let's check down this side now. C is 11. So we're going to do 11 squared. 11 squared is 121. Now we can see we have different numbers here, and we cannot have this equal sign because 121 is not the same number as 181. So we can see these do not make a right angle triangle, these side lengths. So what we have to do is use this symbol here, which is does not equal. All right, and that is telling us that this set doesn't make a good right angle triangle, but this set does. Okay.